What's up sa mga inday and sa mga wakdera? So, hello, good afternoon. This is your girl, Life of AB. And for this afternoon, we're going to do another cosmetic review. So, we have received packages from Guru Skincare Cosmetics and Cosmetic Lip and Cheek Tint. And you can check their shop on Instagram and Facebook, but I will just put that here so you can go check it out, guys. But before that, I would like to inform you that Cosmetic Lip and Cheek Tint is open for resellers. If you want to start your business or to rebrand, you can just PM their Facebook page or comment below for any inquiries. So now let's open Guru Skincare Cosmetics. So Guru Skincare Cosmetics has been on Instagram since April. Ayan yung alam ko. And they also have their Facebook page and their, I think, bago lang sa Shopee. So that they can be able to provide COD offers. Okay. Oh, wow. Ang cute. Okay, so this is, I think, is the brow soap. Ang cute ng packaging, wait. Can you see that with the logo? That's it. And then we also have the eyebrow pomade. Oh, I love the color. It's, I don't know ilang ml ito, but yeah, that is the eyebrow pomade. And then we have the glow set. What is this? I think this is a freebie. Thank you anyway. So we're going to open the glow set. I-on ko muna yung electric fan, guys, kasi ano, ba't parang ayaw niyong i-open ko? Okay, ayan. Okay, that's done. So this is the glow set. So I will check out the information on the page kasi nakalabel lang siya with the branding but nothing more. Okay, so I think this is a toner kasi walang nakalagay sa Instagram page. I don't know. So yeah, guys, you should provide all that information. So ito, I think personally this is the mist. And I don't know why it's violet. Oh, okay. Lavender scent. Oh, it's not a mist. It's like yung facial something. Okay. So I think I'm just going to do my stories and posts on Instagram about the effects of this one. But ayan, I'll just provide the necessary information that I could possibly give on this video. It smells like lavender. So that's nice. It's sweet smelling. Madali siyang yeah. Yeah, it smells good. Madali rin siyang mag-bubble. And so I think this is the toner. Why is it wet? Okay, that's the toner. Let's open it. The scent is still lavender. So I think that goes for all of their glow set for uniformity. And then the last one is the serum. And so we have the, oh, it's so pretty. And serum, so let's open this baby. Ding, 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 ding. It's so cute. And the scent is still lavender. So I'm definitely gonna try this one. Just watch out for my Instagram stories, Facebook, my days, and my posts on my Facebook page, Life of AB. So that's it. So I'm sorry if I cannot, you know, review it on cam because kakaligo ko lang, guys. Okay, I'm back. So guys, I don't really have great eyebrows. I admit they're not sisters. I mean, they're not twins. They're sisters, as you can see. So what I'm going to do now, para mas maging madali, is I'll put the brow soap here and then the pomade here so we can see the results. Let's open this baby up. I still can't get over of the cuteness. Just may pa-sparkly pa siya. Okay? What are you supposed to do with this? It's my first time to try. Gaganito lang ba? It smells like, you know yung hotel soaps? The one you get from hotels. So it's a, how are you supposed to do this? Like, ilalagay mo lang, diba? Just to place the hairs. Put the hairs in place. Wait. Zoom natin. Is that what you're supposed to do? Put the hairs in place? So that's it for the brow soap. So it feels kind of like heavy sa kilay mo, like you know that you're applying something on your kilay, and it feels really waxy, pero it really straightens the hairs up. If you want them in place, you really need the brow soap. And yun nga, yung scent niya is consistent. It's like hotel soap. See, that's it. I kind of have some product left on my spoolie, that's why it's kind of messy. But for me talaga, I cannot achieve personally the bushy look because manipis lang po yung kilay ko, that's the problem. But for the brow soap so far, because this is my first one, it's fine with me. Pero dumating lang siya na it already hardened, so parang mahirap na, you know, get the real consistency, experience the real, you know, thing of the brow soap. And then next we have the pomade. So walang nakalagay na, okay, the thing about their packaging is, yung makakomment ko talaga is, it's all stickers. No information, other information. So yun, di natin malalaman. But yeah, the label is still good. The containers are still good. Ayun nga lang. Okay. It smells like lipstick. Okay. Tingnan nyo. It's so plain. Like, ang soft niyang tignan. Okay. Hard. I don't know if it's because of the yung sa shaping tapos yung heat. Okay, the lighting is whatever. Okay. Ba't wala? I think it's hardened. That's why hindi makita yung pigment. I think that's better. Ayan. Sige. So, yan. You cannot quite see the real pigment because of my lighting. I'm so sorry again. Hindi talaga kasi ako makapag-shoot ng umaga, so I only have afternoons because I have work And I know that's not an excuse, but yeah, I hope you bear with me, guys. So, ayan, try natin sa kilay. Kilay is life. But this quarantine season, I don't use products on my kilay anymore. I just leave it bare, leave it be. What happened to that? I'm so sorry, ang init. I already applied a large amount. I think nag-harden yung wax niya because of the shipping process. Can you see any difference? I think there's a tint or there's a pigment pero di naman siya nakikita lang masyado. That's it for the eyebrow pomade. And guys, just a reminder, if interested kayong bumili from this shop, it does not come with a spoolie or a brush, so you need to use your own brush. And then let's try this one. So this is Guru Skincare Cosmetics lip tint. I don't know the shade because again, see, walang no labels at all. Just packaging. Although it's travel friendly kasi maliit. Let's try under the eyebrow pomade swatch. Okay. So that's the shade. It's a baby pink. Is it? Oh, ito yung mga tint na hindi bagay sa akin. I mean, shade. Because I have, parang hindi talaga siya bagay sa akin. Tutti fruity smell. Hello, surprisingly, bakit bagay? Ha? ayan yung shade niya. I don't know what the name is though because ito, I think this is just a freebie. So, thank you for that. And then, what I'm going to do is to try next the cosmetic lip and cheek tints. So, we have 4. Thank you. So, try natin yan. Very nice packaging. See? The design is very cute. Wait. Hindi ko mabalance. Ayan. So, it has a flowery design, which is very kikai. Very girly, of course. And sa packaging niya, we can see the ingredients. This is 10 ml, and this is, yung naro-roll. And then we can see, we can see the 10 ml right there. We can also see the shade. So, Cosmetic Potions Organic Lip and Cheek Tint. So, this is buckwheat. Buckwheat, yung mga nag-i-evacuate. Sorry, I know it's corny. Okay, so that's buckwheat for you guys. What's the taste of this? Okay. So it's a baby shade. It's a baby tint. I mean, You know, it's a light tint. Sorry. Na-confuse kasi ako sa taste. The taste is funny. Okay, so yan yung shade niya. That's buckwheat on my lips. The taste is funny, guys. Para siyang, there's like a soapy, it's a sweet, soapy taste. I don't know if you get my point, but there's a sweet, soapy taste. So yeah, that's it. Let's try. If the smell is just normal, you know, yung sa lip tint smells. Then let's try the... Oh, I thought this was part of the design. Parang natapunan pala siya. Okay, so this is Miley. Yeah. Oh, shoot. Tatapunan talaga. See? Okay. This is gonna be messy. Okay, that's Miley. Oh, it's dripping. Okay, same smell. It's dripping, guys. Ayan. That's of Miley. So that's Miley for you. Still the funny smell. I mean, funny taste. Ah, ang daming nalagay. It's dripping. Nalagyan na yung... Oh! Oh my God! That's Miley. That's an orangey tint. Ang daming nalagay. Oh my gosh. Okay, guys, I'm back with my messy hands. Let's try the next ones. Tumulo rin siya sa pillowcase. So, the next one is Angel. Ayan, Angel. So, Angel is a bright red. So, what we're going to do, mamaya na muna natin ilagay si Angel sa lips. Let's open also Candy. Kasi parang nagtataluhan yung shade nila eh. Oh, see? Nagtataluhan yung smell nila. I got really the different shades. Kasi may ibang lip tints na if ipapadala sa'yo for review, malapit lang na malapit yung shades. Since my upper lip is very dark, I'm gonna put Candy on my upper and then Angel on my lower lip. So that's Candy. Shades lighter. Ayan. How about we mix them? Oh, that's sexy. I love that. That's cosmetic lip and cheek tint. So, before we end, what I'm going to do is, of course, give you the overall feedback. So, for the Guru products, the Guru skincare products that I've got, you know, the glow set, the free lippy, and then the, you know, since I already made my comments earlier while using it, while trying it on, the overall rating for Guru skincare products that I received is 3 stars. Okay, why 3 stars? Guys, ang ganda ng packaging. No problem with the container or the logo. The problem is it does not have the information that it should have. For products, for cosmetic products, it should have the label or the part where we can see the ingredients, the manufacturing date, even yung place kung saan na manufacture, yung mga ganun, even the sorry, init, even the you know, kung ilang ml, ganun. So that is the problem with the product. At tapos, ang dali niyang mag-dry. You can see na nahihirapan ako kaninang gumamit ng pomade and also the brow soap. So that's it. Although I was really impressed by the glow set and even the color and the scent, ang bango niya. And so next we have the cosmetic lip and cheek tint. Okay. So overall rating for these is 5 stars. I love the packaging. It's so girly. And we see that there is information right here. We see ingredients, which is rose water, aloe vera gel, vitamin C and E, natural colorants, and pigment. Fruit extracts. Fruit extracts? Really? Ayan, so we have that too. And that's, I think, is what makes it stand out. Kasi even with the common, it's a common container for lip tints. And with the Kika, you know, if you see lip tints like this, so you will just think na, that's a common style or something like that. But what made it stand out is, it just followed, it's just, sorry, ang init. It just followed the rules. It just followed the protocol kung ano talagang dapat nakalagay sa mga lip tints. And the only problem with it is, yung isa is nag-drip. I think it's because of, you know, the shipping and all. Something like that. So yeah, that's it for now. Anyway, I really love to try the glow set by Guru Skincare Cosmetics. I will update that on my Instagram story, my feedback about that. And I would be open to review more products for Instagram and Facebook. You can just send me a message on the details below. And thank you so much for Guru Skincare Cosmetics and Cosmetic Lip and Cheek Tint for giving me this wonderful opportunity. I'm so sorry with the lighting. Plus, ang init talaga. And I'll see you on my next cosmetic review. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day.